Hi everyone, welcome to today's demo of IRM DevOps integration. Today, we are going to see few use cases on how compliance check is made for DevOps processes. To begin with, you can see a compliance dashboard where we have a lot of controls in place. This demo will be focused on three different use cases, and you can see there are no non-compliant controls at the moment. We have defined three different control objectives, and let's go through one by one. The first one is review and approve application changes by system owner before deployment to UAT. This control objective is linked to entity type DevOps servers where we have entities associated with the business service. As you can see, we have defined entities here and the entities are associated with the business service. For this use case, we consider able tutor as the system owner. Let's move on to the next use case. The next use case is DevOps committer cannot approve change request. This control objective ensures whether the person who is associated with the commit of the code is not actually approving the change request. We have linked the same entity type for this control objective as well. The third use case is test application change to be 100%. This control objective checks whether the test results associated with the pipeline run is 100%. For the demo, we have an Azure pipeline execution associated with the entity type defined on these control objectives. The pipeline consists of different stages like test, build, deploy to UAT, and deploy to production. We have change requests before deployment to UAT and deployment to prod. We can also see the artifact generated as part of this pipeline run, which shows commits and work item. Also, the test results associated with the pipeline run is also available, which is 100% over here. Let's have a check on the change request created. If you check on the change request associated, you can see the approval to UAT has been done by DevOps system, while the system owner of this entity is able tutor. Let's move on to the change request associated with the prod deployment. You can see all the details associated with this pipeline run over here, and you can see the commits associated. You can see that the commit details were commit has been done by Lamia. Let's have a check on the approval associated with this change request. If you check on the approval, Lamia has approved the change as well. So in this case, the committer has approved the change request. So we have a pipeline run which serves as the data for which compliance check will be done. Let's run the indicators. So indicators are real-time monitors of compliance check. We can schedule the indicator run to be daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annual basis. Since this is a demo, I'm manually executing the indicators. Let's wait for a few minutes for the completion of this indicator run. Now, let's go back and have a check on the compliance dashboard which we initially saw. You can see that there are two non-compliant controls which was triggered after the indicator run. You can see that the control associated with UAT approval by system owner and the check whether DevOps committer cannot be approver are non-compliant. You can also see the indicator results associated with the non-compliant controls and the record or records associated with it. So this is the indicator results associated with the run, and you can see the record. Hope you liked the demo and see you soon with more use cases. Thank you.